Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by eliminating simple power issues. Make sure the charger, cable, and adapter are functional and Apple certified. Place the watch on its charger, align magnetic pins, and wait 10 minutes to see the charging symbol. If nothing appears, perform a force restart by pressing and holding the digital crown and side button together for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the system without erasing data. It resolves frozen firmware and clears transient faults, so you can move to deeper diagnostics. Once done with a force restart, inspect the hardware closely. Look for debris, moisture, or corrosion on the charging surface and the watch back. Gently clean with a dry, lint-free cloth. Make sure to test a different known good Apple-compatible charger, cable, and wall adapter to isolate the cable or adapter as the culprit. If the watch got wet, allow it to air dry for 24 to 48 hours in a ventilated area. Do not use heat or compressed air, since that can damage internal components. If hardware checks fail, attempt software recovery using your paired iPhone. Open the watch app to see connection status, try unpairing and repairing, or trigger an update if available. If the watch remains dead or shows a blank screen during these steps, schedule Apple Support Diagnostics or an Apple Store visit. The issue is often a failed battery or internal connector. Make sure to document recent impacts, water exposure, and the troubleshooting steps you performed. This speeds service and helps technicians.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.